Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial I show you something super exciting. You can now change the clothing style of your AI influencers with ease. Whether you're running an online shop, working as a photographer or as a filmmaker, this latest update from Kling AI takes your creativity to the next level. In this tutorial I walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can now transform your AI generated characters or photos like a pro. Ready to level up your content?
Let's get started.
In Kling AI, you see here at AI Assets, AI Images, the virtual try-on. Under text to image here, you see now you can switch here to AI virtual try-on. And now here, you can see you have some single garment. You find some pre-made garments here, and you find some pre-selected models here, okay? Let me show you at first how to use. You can upload your own garments and just give it a try. This one here. And now let's choose a model. You can choose only top, bottom, dress or suite, okay? This is a top in that case. And see, I got a lot of models here. Number of outputs 1 or 2, you can 3 or 4. Let's do it with 2. You can see then if you reduce it into 1, it costs only 5 credits, and each image costs 5 credits. Good, now let's hit the generate button for 10 credits. And it is really quick. Looks pretty cool. You can see it is exactly what we had here. This is the model, how she looks in her basic dress. And then if you like it, these two images here, you can use it as a reference. You can upscale it. We get this high quality image here. You can bring it to life. That means you can turn it into a video. Now let's try another one, but now a custom. Now we can upload your custom models here, okay? And let's try it with one of my AI girls. This one. Not back here. What's wrong here? No. Okay, now I got my custom model here. Let's choose another dress for her. Here it's okay, I think. Press suite and now hit the generate button. And look there. It is so amazing. Wow. The upscale mode is free for now. Doesn't cost any credits. Look at the quality. Yes. Absolutely impressive. And now I want to try it with myself. Custom. Delete the model. Great. This is one of my own photos now. Now click here on re-upload. Let's try that first with this windbreaker. And it is a top. Hit the generate button. Wow. I can't believe good. Now the logo, it doesn't look very clean because it is a Bitcoin logo. But okay, you can see here it is only 500 to 500 resolution, and you can try it with a better resolution. Go to re-upload. You see the maximum is 4906 megapixel. Okay. The minimum is 512 megapixel. Good. Okay. If you, with a better quality, I'm sure it will be much better. But now let's try another one. The multiple. The top. Why not try it again with another resolution? Now this image is much better, the resolution. Now try it. Hit the generate button. Okay, maybe it's because my image isn't with a good quality. Try it again with another model. Go to a recommend model and go to, say, this guy here. Yes, for me it is also very new. It is the first time I try it out now with this tutorial, and I hope we get a good result now. You can see with the logo it is good, looks very good, the ChatGPT logo, but maybe with text, this is the problem. Upscale, but I think it wouldn't change very much. Yeah, I can have a look here. With the text it is a little bit the problem at the moment. It's not perfect yet, but with logos images or icons, I think it works very good. Now this brand new future opens new doors for you. If you have your own brand, your online shop or whatever, or if you want to create any videos, then you can now create your own AI models and you can change them. You can change the dresses or the clothes with different whatever you want. This is so amazing. Now this feature opens new doors for you. If you have your own brand, your online shop or whatever, or if you want to make videos, then you can now create your own AI model and you can dress them however you want.
If you found this tutorial was helpful, give a like and subscribe to our channel.